I'm Tammy Hahn. I'm from Whittier Law School. I'm a 1L. And this past weekend has been a really eye-opening experience, I would say. I never really realized the conditions of my farm workers that live out here. And I would say my favorite experience thus far has been speaking. We had to give speeches in Spanish to the Riverside County's Education Board sponsored health fair. And I felt like the people that were there really enjoyed learning about the different rights that they had that they weren't really aware of, and getting the active participation from the audience shows that we really hit a good place with them. And I would definitely recommend it for a future alternative spring break, because it was only a short weekend, but I'm sure we made a really big difference in people's lives.
I have thus far had an excellent experience. It's just been such a learning process, and I would definitely do this again. I would definitely recommend it to anybody else. It's just learning about agriculture, learning about people's rights, learning about immigration. This is the type of law that I want to do, so I really felt like it was something really important.
My name is Nick Hashimi. I'm with Whittier Law School. I think the public law center is doing a great thing out here. These people out here need help, and it's great just to help out. Honestly, I liked everything we did, from the presentations to just getting a tour of what these people deal with every day, the immigrant workers, the laborers, and things like that, what type of conditions they're in. And overall, I definitely would recommend the experience. I definitely would recommend, for students to take part in this type of thing. And yeah, it was fun.
And it's my third day out here. And on a serious note, it's been something new to see. All the people out here, the workers, the migrant farm workers, and the legal issues that they face, and then what they really do out here. And I personally had never really, observed it and all that. But it was an eye opener. But it was good to be here also because I got to see the legal work that's done for them to help them along, and it really helped with their morale. And that was a positive note.
I would definitely recommend it to anybody, and I would love to come back next year. There was only a few things I didn't really learn a whole bunch I didn't know, but a lot of the stuff about the immigration law was really interesting. There was a few things I didn't know, like the regulations for what has to be on the field at certain points. But it was, in a whole, it was good. It was fun.
The people in Coachella need a lot of help, and we complain about a lot of things back home, but there's a lot that can be done out here immediately to help the folks out. So I'm glad I was able to come and be a part of it.
So basically, this experience has been great. I never thought I would myself do this type of work, and now I see how hard it is. I'm just doing 10 minutes of it, and I'm sweating like a dog right now. But anyway, really great experience. I think I learned a lot. I learned a lot about the people as well. I would do it again.
Well, I really like the naturalization camps. It was really fun to help out people. I helped like 8 or 9 people work towards getting their permanent, or actually their citizenship. So that was really positive. I like that, and yeah, I definitely recommend it to other people.
I think you get an impression overall because we did a different event every day. We had the tours, we had the workshops, different legal issues in labor law and immigration and naturalization. But when thinking about it, all things considered, people just want to know that they have rights, and feeling that we help them in a way to appreciate those rights. It's a good feeling.
Definitely, hearing stories about our friends getting stopped at the gas station and being recognized by the people and being thanked by them, that was wonderful. Just hearing that our presentation did make a difference, and how surprised people were that they do have constitutional rights. When we did the immigration presentations, it just seems like such simple things, and it seems like such basic knowledge, but people don't have that, and I'm really, really fortunate to have informed them of that. And I hope they take advantage of the little green cards that they give them. I hope that made a difference.
Great experience. I think I speak for everyone when I say that I think it's an eye-opener to see the kind of mistreatment and kind of work that migrant farm workers do, as well as how they live. I think I learned a lot. It was a great experience. I would recommend it for next year for any other law students. And
actually, a little bit disappointed that more of our students, weren't able to participate. But hopefully, when we go back and we let them know what an enriching experience it was, we can get more people to come back.
Overall, I definitely would recommend the experience. I definitely would recommend, for students to take part in this type of thing. And yeah, it's fun.
3-4 days out of the year, help out, really see that the people in the community really, really appreciate the information we're giving them. It was totally worth it for me.